Hello, good afternoon. There's quite a lot of cloud around at the moment. It has been fairly bright this morning, but this fizzling weather front is just managing to squeeze out the odd spot of rain here and there. So do expect a little bit of drizzle from time to time, mostly across Lancashire. The further inland you are, the best chance you've got of it staying a little bit brighter, and temperatures here getting up to 7 or maybe even 8 Celsius, so a little higher than yesterday. The cloud will be quite low and thick for a time overnight, and certainly over the hills it's going to give mist and fog. So it is going to be quite murky for those Trans-Pennine routes first thing in the morning. Always breezier through the Irish Sea. Further east a little bit quieter. Shouldn't be so cold tonight because of the cloud, but the breeze will pick up through the day and that will lift and break any cloud, and we'll see highs of 9. Hello there, good morning. There's been a few chillier spots through the night. In Rochdale it got to just above freezing, 1 Celsius first thing this morning. Elsewhere we had a little bit of a milder theme because there's been a fair amount of cloud around, chiefly of course because we can see there's a lot of rain on the radar there as well. Some of that quite heavy and rather lively, but as we head through the next couple of hours I think we'll see the wind easing off a bit. It is still quite strong over the Isle of Man, where it could be gusting up to around 40 or 50 miles an hour for the next couple of hours. Elsewhere it's a breezy day. Plenty of dry weather and some good sunny interludes developing as well. Through this evening and overnight it's going to be a mixed bag of cloud, a bit of rain coming through from time to time. Again, still staying fairly breezy, but the rain will come and go. It is going to stay fairly mild though, temperatures holding at around 5, maybe 6 Celsius by the early hours of the morning. And tomorrow starts to get a little bit quieter. The showers are fewer and further between. We will have some hill mist and fog here and there, but on the whole just a combination of cloud, a little bit of rain and a few dry interludes here and there. As we head through though into Wednesday and Thursday, we see a little ridge of high pressure developing, and that looks as if we're going to have something a good deal drier and brighter just to end things off later this week. See you later. Well, if you do fancy a little bit of planet gazing, the best night of the week is probably going to be Wednesday night, when we should have clear skies, which means we're going to see some settled conditions developing. But if you are going to head out and look at that, then do wrap up warm because it will be pretty cold. So here's all the detail. We've got this big area of low pressure that's sitting over the UK at the moment, and it's slowly easing its way further eastwards. All the while it's filling in, it's relaxing, and then we start to see a little ridge of high pressure start to dip in over the top. And this is what's going to give us the clear night on Wednesday night and a good deal of sunshine on Thursday. So that's something that personally I'm really quite looking forward to. Now at the moment it's still quite different out there. There's a lot of cloud, it's a little bit breezy out there. The wind is dying down this evening because the centre of the low pressure is actually kind of moving across us, so we're getting into that lull. However, there'll be quite a bit of cloud which will allow some mist and fog to form over the hills and some rain from time to time. Not too chilly tonight. Sunrise in the morning is at 8:04 and sunset is at 4:44 in the afternoon. So quite a cloudy and murky start, some poor visibility over higher ground. On the whole, a fairly dry day, but cloudier than it was today. Outbreaks of rain still around from time to time, particularly later on in the day, streaming through the Cheshire Gap and getting quite gusty again through the Irish Sea. So the wind here will continue to pick up a little bit. But then looking at the bigger picture, we're going to see a lot more settled conditions ease in as the winds relax. Still, I think a little bit of cloud around on Wednesday and a chilly start to Wednesday morning, but a bright day with some sunshine and plenty of sunshine to look forward to on Thursday.